Okay, so in the video before this, we went over how to create a trigger link. So in this video, I'm going to show you where you can put a trigger link before we were creating it. So it looks like a custom value, so you can actually plug this in wherever you need to send out some type of communication, like a text message, email. You can send it out like that. So I want to show you a couple places where you can embed this. So if you go to marketing on the menu on the left, and then we go to email. So let's say if we're sending out an email, or if we have a template that we want to add this into, so that way we can just easily distribute it out to our clients or our customers. Let's put this in one of our sample ones that we have here. So if I have this in here, let's say if I put in here, please click the sale link here. Okay, so I just want to show you, don't worry about the wording. I just want to show you how to do it. The purpose of why we're putting it in here will throw you off if you're just trying to focus on the please click the sale link here. But I just want to show you how to do this. So let's say if I do a trigger link, so that would be this icon right here. I click on trigger link, and then I type in, not type, but I click on the link that we want to add in this spot. So here is the link. All right. All right. So it'll embed that that trigger link in there in that spot. If you don't want the link to actually show, which will actually change to like a link dot or whatever the brand domain would be, it will change to that. So if you have not set up your brand domain, then it will be it'll show just like it would if you were sending out like a form or any type of document. That link will have your brand name on there. If you don't have your brand name set up, then it'll set up as like 360. So link.360ascension.com, and it'll have like the different letters and verbiage at the end of that. That's how it would show. The other way you can set this up is if you take, let's say if we take this out, right? And if we want to highlight, let's say if we want them to click on here, if we click on the button here, the link button at the top, and then you click on the tag on the right, you go to trigger links, and then you can embed it there as well too. And then there's your text display, and then you just hit save. So even if they click on here, the trigger link is still linked to that, and you can save it that way as well too.